In this guide, I'll show you how to add crossplay friends in PUBG on PS4, PS5, Xbox One, or Xbox Series S or X. So from the home menu, press the start button on your controller, and we're going to scroll down and select system menu. Then you want to go to settings and scroll over to gameplay and ensure cross-platform play is enabled. Now once you've done that, go back to the home menu, and then you want to have a look in the bottom right corner to see which button you have to press to open up your friends. It's where the two people icon is. Now have a look in the top right corner where it says search nickname. You'll see which button you have to press on your controller to open this up. And then you want to search for your friend. So once you've typed in your friend's nickname, you want to press start on your controller and it should search for it. And in this case, I'm going to be adding a PlayStation player even though I'm playing on Xbox. So I'm going to press A on this person. You'd press X if you're on a PlayStation controller. And it just sent the friend request. Now it's simply just a matter of waiting for this person to add me, and then I'll be able to play with them.